Okay, now I have got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra here. Let me just open Theme Park Engine on this. We all know that this is a part of GoodLock module, which enables us to customize the themes on the phone. We can customize the keyboard theme, quick panel theme, icons, and volume panel. Now let me just tap on icon customization here, and here let me tap on create new. Now this is where we can add third-party icon packs or change the shapes of the icons and change the colors of the icons. And if you remember, we had an option to increase or decrease the size of the icons as well on this particular section here. Now that has disappeared, and many of you guys are wondering where is the icon size customization. I did read a few comments where you guys asked me about this, so I thought why not make a quick video and tell you guys how to customize the icons on your Galaxy phones. Now with the latest version of Theme Park Engine, we cannot customize the icon sizes because that option has been removed from this module. So this cannot be done here. So where can we customize the icon packs? I'm going to tell you that. Now let's open GoodLock application. Now here let me tap on Makeup. This is where you will see Home Up module. Let me tap on Home Up. Now here, let me tap on Home Screen option. You see here we have got various options to change the grid sizes. We have options like loop pages, finder access, background blur control, background color control, and at the bottom we have got app icon settings. Now this is on the latest version of Home Up. Now let me also show you the Home Up module that we have here. The latest version is 15.0.01.19. So only if you have this latest version, you will get to see this option app icon settings on Home Up module under the home screen option. So now let me just tap on app icon setting here. We have an option to enable it on the top. We have got the switch. Now you see this is where we customize the icon size. We can increase or decrease the icon size here. And we also have a couple of other options like show app icon label on home screen and show app icon label on apps tree. Now these two options were already there on Home Up module, but this option here, the icon customization, has been moved from the Theme Park Engine to the Home Up module. And I'm not sure whether this makes sense. You let me know. I would say this option is good to see on Home Up module because icons are available on the home screen and we can customize this while customizing the home screen itself. However, we should have had this option on the Theme Park Engine as well, because that is where we have option to customize the icons, to add the new icon packs, and to change the shape and color of the icons. We should have had an option to change the size as well. So this is where we have got the icon size customization right on the Home Up module. That is all I wanted to share with you guys. If you're interested in this home screen wallpaper, you can check out the description. This is a beautiful gradient wallpaper we have here. I have left a download link for you guys to download it if you like it. Every video that I post will have a brand new wallpaper. And if you're interested in wallpapers, I have also posted a brand new video on the latest wallpaper applications. There are some amazing wallpaper applications, free as well as premium, and you are going to love it. So check out my video. I will leave that link also in the description. The previous video was about the wallpaper application. So go ahead and check that out. And I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you find this video informational. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.